180 quid don't get you a lot these days. It definitely don't get you an Xbox One, but it gets you all this here, including the monitor, keyboard, mouse and PC. And I'm pretty much willing to bet this is a lot better than an Xbox One. In this video on PC Reboot, we'll find out. So £180. You're probably thinking, well, what kind of computer can you buy with that? And as this proves, a pretty decent, powerful one, to be fair. I mean, we'll go through it. What we've got here, we've got 4 gig DDR2 RAM, a Q6600. We're going to kind of overclock this to 3 gig. A very nice 8-bit AB9 Quad GT motherboard, 2 PCI Express slots. That even came in the box. Corsair CX750M, an Nvidia GTX 770, a 500 gig hard drive, keyboard, mouse and a 22-inch monitor, and a Cool Masters nice case. Prices: case £10, monitor £10, mouse £1 on special, keyboard £2 from charity shop, hard drive £8 CEX, so that's got a 2-year guarantee as well. Graphics card, most expensive part, that was £96. The power supply, that was £20. Then the motherboard, RAM, CPU, cooler, they were actually all together, and they were £30. First things first, let's get a bit of space. All these cables. Hard drive, graphics card. That, to be fair, should be pretty much it for now. So, let's get some power. Well, moment of truth, let's see if it actually works. Cable's on, monitor's on, power switch is on. Power button, it's a good sign. Fans are working. See if she gets posted. It's very good. There she is, working away. What we'll do is get some drivers installed, run a couple of benchmarks and see how we get on. As I always do, first test this machine's going to be with Passmark performance test 8.0. I'll put on the system, I'm sure you're going to be able to see this. AB9 Quad GT, 4 gig of DDR2 RAM, video GTX 770. Let's give it a whirl, see what she gets. It's running at 166 frames per second. So 1,343 points from a machine that's, including the keyboard, monitor and mouse, has cost £180. Probably the biggest killer on this is going to be the lack of SSD and this mark. But what I'll do now is I'll get my... Actually, what I can just do is just load my baseline up for my PC and see where we're losing points. Alright, yeah. So red one's my main system, green is this. Biggest by far is the SSD versus standard hard drive. The 3D graphics, you know, it is actually getting throttled quite a lot. 52%. Everything's just down really. We know 180 quid, and we're a third at power of 1700 quid computer. I don't think we can really complain. Yeah, so 1080p, 60 FPS, YouTube videos, totally fine. It's one of my early videos if you want to watch it. So that's good. And we have spin tires. Running at a nice smooth 60 FPS. And like I said, this is really hard on the CPU, GPU, pretty much everything. You know, you got all these physics with this mud. Very steady 60 FPS. Let's see what she's like in water. Getting stuck. This next game, if you can call it a game, is a BeamNG drive. This is the version 2 tech demo that you can actually download for free off their beamng.com website. This basically is a soft body physics game. As you will see, we'll do a bit of driving. This is running at about 30 to 40 FPS, and considering that what this tech demo is capable of. So yeah, as you can see, it's about 30 to 40 FPS. Considering what this tech demo is capable of, to be fair, this is pretty amazing on this system. Again, this is literally cost us £180 for everything, even this Poundland mouse. So you could have a lot of fun with this for very little money. Nice, he really bent. Well, £180 later, from scratch, and probably around 3 or 4 hours worth of playing, getting it all set up, ready to go, and you are legit playing PC games. Like I said, Fallout, BeamNG. Obviously, BeamNG, that tests all your physics, and it ran pretty well. So I mean, you'd be able to run pretty much any game up to probably a year ago, or even newer ones, but just not at really high settings. I mean, the next thing to do with this would be to buy more RAM. Instead of having 4 1 gig sticks, if you could have 4 2 gig sticks and get 8 gig out of her, then obviously that'd be better. Obviously, the more the merrier. But I mean, 180 quid from nothing. You don't have to pay for Xbox Live or PlayStation Plus or anything like that. And it's not just that, you've also got a system that you can game on as well as do everything else. You can watch YouTube, you can write documents, check your emails, Facebook, do pictures, edit movies. You've got a bit of power to actually do what you want to do. Shame about this Turtle Beach logo, but obviously I'll get that off in a bit. That's it. So yeah, please like, subscribe, comment below. I've got some more videos coming up. I'm going to see what a Pentium 4, how much it'll throttle this 770, and that's it. But yeah, thanks for your time, thanks for watching.